Right, guys, this is a machine that has GeForce 640 GPU processor, and it's already old enough to be supported well under Windows and Linux, but still, here's the configurations that I managed to run correctly in order for the integrated Intel and NVIDIA GPU to run correctly. And from system information, you can see that we're running on Lenovo G580 with a i5 third generation Ivy Bridge processor on it. After installation of numerous NVIDIA drivers, I managed to finally install the proper driver. And here from the device manager, we can see its version. So we see 23, 21, 13, 9135. And if you type this in Google, it will redirect you to the proper drivers download page. So this is one way to use your favorite applications such as Premiere and other GPU accelerated applications still on this old and unsupported hardware. On the other side, we have Linux. Here is a demonstration of Linux Mint version